Today, we are setting up your local business phone line. Just like everything we do here at Cleaning Company Blueprint, it's to set you up with a professional phone line that is separate from your personal life because this is a business. It's also a really easy way to manage your operations while you're on the go. So, OpenPhone will work on your cell phone as well as your desktop, your laptop, wherever you are. But first, let's just get you set up. So, use the link below. That's an affiliate link. That helps us. Thank you. And it helps you. It gives you a discount. So, go click that link and I will share my screen with you. Once you click that link, you will land here and we can do this together. So, first, just take a look down here. This is what your open phone will look like once you get it up and running. This is exactly what ours looks like. You've got your contacts on the left. These are things that are happening. You'll be able to eventually add virtual assistants to your team, for example, or customer service agents or family members to help you. You'll be able to add them to this exact same phone number and they'll be able to use it wherever they are. And you can then see what's happened. So it's a really cool tool and it all costs less than 20 bucks a month. We absolutely love it. Let's look at pricing first. So we're looking at pricing and you're going to see that they've got three different options here. Enterprise, this is much more complex. We don't need to have that kind of business. Business, obviously, this is the one they're trying to get us on, but we just need the starter account for now. You can always upgrade later. Let's just click try for free. And like I said before, you will get a discount on this because you're using our affiliate link. So be sure to use that. Let's just choose a location. I'll say that I'm in Toronto and I'll say it's just me. And for industry, you can choose any of these, but in our case, it's a cleaning company, but we're using online software. So I'm just going to call it e-commerce. You could choose home services. It doesn't really matter. This is just for OpenPhone's records. And why do you need OpenPhone? I'm just going to choose customer support. That's exactly what we need it for. So that's fine. And then it just automatically assigned me this phone number. This is a local phone number for anyone living in Toronto. It's a fine number. I actually like it, easy to remember, but I could choose a different number. So I'm going to do pick a different number. And then you can see here, ooh, I love the 236, but that puts me in Victoria. It's got me in the wrong location because that's where I physically am. So let's do Toronto, Ontario. And there we go. So, ooh, I like that number. 500-3352, super easy to remember. So there we go. Love it. You can click this button where they help you to get started or not, up to you. I'll just, sure. And then I'll hit continue. And then I would choose the starter packages. You can see here they've got a little flag. This is saying you need to register your local number. This is because OpenPhone has had issues in the past with people spamming. So everybody who is using voice over internet now needs to do this. They'll walk you through it. So we're just going to hit select starter. And here we get to the credit card. So this is as far as I can take you. Just enter your details here. Once you have this done, you're on your way with a professional phone number. Congratulations. One step closer. Next up, you should watch the video that we're going to link to here so that you can get to know OpenPhone a little better in terms of how we actually use it day to day so that we save time and get bookings from clients, whether we can answer the phone or not. See you on the other side.